Day for you, your supporters, our system of justice, and your family.
And while that is indeed true, this saga is far from over. Tonight, we turn to what is next. Good evening, everyone. Months of accusations, countercharges, and a 6-week trial all came down to this today. A jury that was largely undecided.
Suspended Hamilton County Juvenile Court Judge Tracie Hunter has some decisions to make now about whether to appeal the only charge out of the 9 for which she was convicted. And prosecutors need to decide whether to try again with another jury. Local 12's Angenette Levy begins our team coverage from the Hamilton County Courthouse. Angenette?
Well, Rob, I spoke with the jury foreperson tonight. She told me by phone that she believed Judge Hunter was guilty of all counts. Sandy Kirkham said, "I am extremely frustrated and disappointed with the result of our deliberations. The evidence presented by the prosecution was compelling and convincing. It is very disconcerting that a judge might so attempt to manipulate our judicial system without severe consequences." This after a 6-week trial that ended with 1 guilty verdict and the jury being deadlocked on the remaining 8 counts.
We, the jury, and the issue joined, find the defendant, Tracie Hunter, guilty of having unlawful interest in a public contract.
And with that, suspended juvenile court judge Tracie Hunter became a convicted felon. The jury found Hunter guilty of using her position to interfere with her brother Stephen's job. Hunter's attorney, Clyde Bennett, says he will appeal.
I'm hurt. I'm stunned. I'm shocked. I thought as a matter of law, she should have been found not guilty as a matter of law, not as a matter of evidence, but as a matter of law.
The jury was deadlocked on the remaining 8 felony counts. Hunter was accused of misusing a county credit card and backdating documents to prevent prosecutors from appealing her rulings. The outcome didn't come as a surprise to defense attorney Mark Krumbein, who followed the trial closely.
It was hard to understand. I think it was sort of inside baseball. Most non-attorneys wouldn't understand it. A lot of attorneys wouldn't understand it unless they perhaps practiced in juvenile court.
Jurors heard 6 weeks of testimony, arguments, and saw countless exhibits. The felony count could mean the end of Hunter's legal career. Judge Norbert Nadel had strong words for Hunter, the first African-American woman to sit on the juvenile court bench.
Judge Hunter, this is a sad day for you, your supporters, our system of justice, and your family.
Judge Hunter left court surrounded by bodyguards. She had a smile on her face but didn't have anything to say. But her supporters say they still believe the prosecution was politically motivated since she won her seat on the bench in a hotly contested race.
I've always said that it was a continued fight from 2010. I still stand upon that. It was a big fight from 2010.
And tonight, the special prosecutors in this case are not saying whether they will retry Tracie Hunter on those 8 felony counts. They say they will not comment until Hunter is sentenced in December. Reporting live from the Hamilton County Courthouse, Angenette Levy, Local 12 News. Rob?
Angenette, thanks very much. Tracie Hunter could be sentenced to probation or anywhere from 6 to 18 months behind bars. Special prosecutor Scott Croswell said during his closing argument that he did not want Hunter to go to jail.